It's the weekend, guys. Welcome to MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. Let's start with our very first story. Now, Last Made has finally addressed the much talked about performance at this year's Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. The performance, which received widespread criticism, was labeled a letdown, and it left many of his fans disheartened. In a candid interview, he shared that he was deeply affected by the negative feedback he received after the appearance, and when he was asked about the factors that led to the underwhelming performance, he found it challenging to pinpoint a single reason for the setback. He actually revealed that his dedicated team had carefully planned and prepared for the whole performance, but somehow, something seemed to have gone amiss on that fateful night. He, however, went on to acknowledge that such experiences serve as learning opportunities and motivation to strive for better outcomes in future shows. Now, I know if you have short-term memory like mine, you've probably forgotten about the performance. So I have a snippet of it, so let's check it out.
You know me, please don't stop. I'm the mother you need ASAP. I'ma give you what you need, full stop. Are you here for making? And I'ma wanna give you full pressure. Every minute you make them kill your shine. Everybody wanna be on my side. Hey, sorry, please leave my side, man. Yeah, my phone don't stop ringing. All my friends are banging. Money calling my phone like I'm begging. Can no be joke. I mean, every making everything possibly got my swag on. Hey, and it's a good day. On night, chilling.
I think that every artist has performances like this, which, you know, sort of ignites their villain phase, in the sense that they try to figure out what went wrong, every single thing that went wrong, and they will try as much as possible to make sure that it never happens again in subsequent shows, you understand, for the rest of their lives in the music industry. So I think it's okay. It's okay. He's new, he's learning. I'm just glad that he's taking it also as a learning curve, and I sincerely doubt that it will repeat itself. But moving on, Barbie will be available to stream on Max later this year. Even though the film had monumental success on the Warner Bros. Second quarter earnings call, their CEO reiterated that the company is committed to a traditional movie window for its releases, with Barbie set to hit Max within the September to December period. So currently, Barbie has earned over $900 million at the worldwide box office. And congratulations, I say congratulations to the Barbie team, especially their marketing team, because they have worked. They have worked. They've been doing so much here. We've been commenting about the budget that they've had to pull all their advertisements off. So I think this is really good news for them, because if they've done the work and they're seeing results, then yeah, shout outs to them. But moving on, Lizzo has finally spoken out following news that she is being sued by a trio of ex-dancers for sexual, racial, and religious harassment. On Thursday, that's August 3rd, Lizzo released a lengthy statement on Instagram in response to the lawsuit, and we have the statement, so let's read it. She says, these last few days have been gut-wrenchingly difficult and overwhelmingly disappointing. My work ethic, morals, and respectfulness have been questioned. My character has been criticized. Usually, I choose not to respond to false allegations, but these are as unbelievable as they sound and too outrageous to not be addressed. These sensationalized stories are coming from former employees who have already publicly admitted that they were told their behavior on tour was inappropriate and unprofessional. As an artist, I have always been passionate about what I do. I take my music and performances very seriously, because at the end of the day, I only want to put out the best art that represents me and my fans. With passion comes hard work and high standards. Sometimes I have to make hard decisions, but it's never my intention to make anyone feel uncomfortable or like they aren't valued as an important part of the team. I'm hurt, but I will not let the good work I've done in the world be overshadowed by this. I want to thank everyone who has reached out in support to lift me up during this difficult time. I'm not here to be looked at as a victim, but I also know that I'm not the villain that people and the media have portrayed me to be these last few days. I'm very open with my sexuality and expressing myself, but I cannot accept or allow people to use that openness to make me out to be something I am not. There is nothing I take more seriously than the respect we deserve as women in the world. I know what it feels like to be body shamed on a daily basis and would absolutely never criticize or terminate an employee because of their weight. And yes, that is the statement Lizzo put out there. Now, the attorney for the dancer suing Lizzo responded to her denying the allegations, saying basically that more people are coming out to, corroborate the story that came out earlier. So they are supporting her. And if she's saying that she is not, she didn't do anything, then they should take it to trial. They should take it to court. And let's see over there. I mean, that's what they're saying. But let us know what you think in the comment section. But that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment, lifestyle over here at MX24. This is where we show you everything that's going on. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.